Welcome back. Today we are going straight into variable in JavaScript. Firstly, what is a variable? A variable is where we store our information in JavaScript. A variable consists of three keywords, that is let, const and var. What is let? Let is the value that can be changed, while const is the value that stays the same, and var is the olden way that we use to store our variable. And today I'm going to give you a brief example on how variable works. And this is our HTML file. Before you start anything in your JavaScript, you have to create an HTML file. And after creating an HTML file, you have to link your HTML file with your JavaScript. So let's move on. This is our JavaScript here. You can see what I'm trying to explain. This is our let, that is a variable keyword, and this is the name, that is the main variable that we use to store this name here, Malik. You can see if you go to our live server and we are trying to mention Malik, this Malik won't bring out anything, it will just be giving us error. And this const is the variable keywords, and the bet here is the main variable that I used to store the bet here. This is the bet here 2000. This 2000, if I go to my live server and call 2000 there, it won't show my bet here, it just will giving me error. So this console.log that you are seeing here, I'm telling this code that I don't want to click it here, I don't want to view the code here, I want to view it in my live server. So I have to view it in my live server now. Let's move on. Can't you see? I'll open my live server and I'll inspect. When I'm trying to inspect, you can see that in our code I mentioned console.log, and this is the console here. You can see this is the console here, and when I mention my variable here, name, you can see it's brought out Malik. But let me show you other things. When I mention Malik, you can see it said on cut refresh Malik is not defined. But let me mention bet here. This bet here, you can see it's brought out 2000. When I mention 2000, it will tell me that it's not defined. You can see it just be bringing 2000. That's what it will be bringing. In summary, in my code I've stored all this information that my variable is giving me. I've stored it here, so when I mention my variable, it will automatically bring out the name that I store in my variable. In conclusion, variable is one of the key topics to learn in JavaScript. Thank you.